Hello again, and we just get out of the taxi, so we are going in Terminal 5. Terminal 5. Terminal 5, home of British Airways. This terminal, this is my first time here, and it is huge. Let's see how is the experience of Terminal 5. I will update you guys later. Hey, just passed the security check and we are inside looking for some yummy food, but we went to the Weatherspoon and it is very busy. There's no tables, so now we are looking for another restaurant. I have this burger here, is chicken, I think. Chicken, onion rings, whole beef, cheese, and beef burger. This restaurant. So let's dig in and see how does it taste.
Take the phone.
It is smoking. Yum yum. So this one is full beef burger. I like this one better than the chicken. I'm 6'4" and this is not enough for me, so there's no room. If it is a longer flight, it will be very painful. But for short people, not eating down. Table for food. And they have something. Let's see what is this. Nothing. Put your stuff in.
Hold it 1 minute.
Put your phone over there. We just landed and we are going to the check-in or security to go and get our luggages, because this is not a transfer. So now the news is that we are going Antalya. This is the new 4 years old airport, Istanbul International Airport. It's huge. So let's go and explore. Finally, after a mile I got here. Claim my baggage. I hope the baggage are here. Bags are in here. This is one of them. Thank you, mister.
Yeah.
You have to pay for the trolley, but you will get your deposit back. It is 10 lira or 1 euro. Hi again, and we crossed another security check, So we are checked in for Antalya. We have around 5-6 hours layover, so we have to find a way to pass this time. And there is some nice yummy food here.
One.
Welcome back. Couldn't find any other food, and we ended up Burger King and this one with the burger. I'm hungry. It's okay. I'm at the layover and trying to pass time. There is a layover area where the gate starts, the G section, G1 to G11 or something like that. Now I'm looking to buy somewhere water and something. Here is some water. Let's see how much is it. It is £1. So 26 lira is over a pound. So let's go and see if there is something else. You can get a coffee, I think. Oh, this is beautiful here. Oh, this is the actual area. And it is like this design. This is workstation. You can come and work. You have TV, lots of space to sit and relax. Wait for your flight. Oh, it's beautiful here. I like this one. Lots of people sleeping, relaxing, waiting for their flights. But there is not a kind of supermarket or something. I think I have to go and get those water from there. The water from there. And this structure here is quite nice. You have workstations here. You can come and work on your computers. That's it. That's the whole building. Go get some stuff from there. So this is Istanbul International Airport domestic terminal. It's nice, neat and clean. So this is a new airport. Yeah, so I will catch up with you guys later. Good morning from Istanbul International Airport domestic terminal. We are getting ready to board our plane for Antalya. It is a very long journey now. As you can see, I just woke up. I had a couple of hours of sleep somewhere. This is a Turkish airline Boeing 777-300, and we have everything as standard screen controller. And they are saying that we cannot film.
There's no
And they have this one as well. The port opens like this. So this is like
but you can watch the here later
standard
cartoons,
everything
yeah?
Turkish airline has. Mostly it is a big plane, wide body. The Boeing, and it's got this one as well. You can put your feet in there. And the room is quite big in this one. It's around 31 inch, I think. I will see you guys in Antalya. breakfast served. We have sandwich, cheese, tomato sandwich, and coffee. Total tech. That's quite yummy. Comparing to British Airlines, this is nice. 1 hour flight, they are giving you sandwich and coffee, hot drink or cold drink if you like. See you later. Approaching Antalya, landing in 3 minutes. The first glimpse of Antalya. Welcome to Antalya. Antalya domestic airport. Everyone is waiting for their baggage. I think this will be a long wait. Let's see how long.
You.
Yay! Welcome to Antalya.
This one up anyway.
So this is Markaz?
Kadriye merkez.
Kadriye Markaz, not Belek.
Belek after.
After.
Nah.
That's the land of the legend. You're going here.
I am
Yeah.
not going on that roller coaster.
Yeah, see? Those are some crazy roller coasters over there. Oh, look at that. This is the most famous resort here. Land of legend. Do you know how much was the ticket? The resort. We are booking here was
Gumma
7,000 Land of legend. It's huge. You can go inside, walk around, but if you're going inside theme park, you have to pay. There is shopping center, designer shops. Oh, there's Good morning. Morning. Yeah, I have you, right? Oh, this is busy in here. Oh, it's nice. I like that smell. Huh? Yeah, you have buggy stuff. Shoes in there. So this is the reception.
Like a half tree house.
So I will come back after check-in.